Hi my lovely kids, how are you all doing? Let's make new art and craft today. So today I am going to make a new art and craft. So I am going to start. So let's start. My art and craft activity is that cat plant holder. For this cat plant holder, what we have to need? We have to need a one glue gun. This sheet I am taking for the decoration. You can take anything. You can take cello tape, colorful tape, yeah, you can take a poster color also. And for this we have to need a cutter, we have to need a scissor, we have to need a marker, colorful marker. You can take any other marker that you have, and one paint I will take for this. After I will tell you how we will use this paint. And for this paint I am using this brush, and the most important thing that the white paper I am taking, because I am going to make a cat plant holder. For this cat plant holder I want to make a cat design on that paper. You can make any design that you have to like you can make a mouse, that you can make a mouse design on that. You want to make a teddy bear style, you can you can make a teddy bear design on that. And the most important thing is that one water bottle. This one I am taking this water bottle, so you can take also this type of plastic bottle. Okay, so let's start our new procedure, students. So I make the cat design on my paper. You want to make any design, you want to make on that dog face, you want to make a mouse face on that, you want to make a teddy bear face, anything that you have to want to make, that you have to like most, that design you have to make. I make a cat design on my this paper. So see, this one I make for this. Now I am going to paste this cat design on the bottle like this. See, I am going to paste it and back, and paste it at the back with the help of any transparent tape. I am going to paste it like this, and after that now I am going to trace the design on my bottle like this. I am going to design on my bottle. See, this type I am going to make a design. And after that, now carefully you can cut the design with the help of scissor or cutter. I cut my water bottle in the shape of the plant holder. Now I am going to use this white paint, Asian paint, for the paint my this holder. You can use any color. You can use poster color. You want to take any you have that any color that you have to use in that. So I am going to this one. Now put some weight inside for hold my bottle, and going to paste. This one is the brush. With the help of the brush I am going to paint it. So students, see, I paint my this cat plant holder, and it will be a dry, and it will take one hour for the dryness. Now I am going to do decoration. I have cut these out from the sparkle sheets. You can do anything use for it. You can use a colorful sheets for this. You can use a colorful tapes, ribbon, anything that is available at home that you have to use for the decoration. Now I am going to paste it on that with the help of the glue. Now I pasted all that. You can see my cat plant holder. See, looks beautiful, kids. These all sparkle sheet I will paste on the ear, on the cheeks, eyes, and the mouth also. You can use on that any colorful sheet, and according to you can decorate. You can use other face, like you can use a teddy bear, you can use dog face. That you have to like that, you have to use and paste like this. Yeah, any other design you have to make on that, you can make. Now I am going to more decoration of my this cat plant holder. Now I will use a shallow colorful tape on that. After I will show you how it will look. Now see, you exit this plant holder either making pan stand, comb stand or putting any plant inside. Firstly I will show you when you are making it a pan stand how it will look. See, I am using these things, colors, any color I will put inside. See, I will put some pen inside and after that so many space are there. Now see this one, or you putting any plant inside, you can see my cat plant final look. See students, final look of my cat plant holder. It looks beautiful or not? Beautiful now. So my dear kids, now you give me also you have to try it at home and make their videos and kindly send me your videos also. So enjoy this art and craft activity kids. See, enjoy. Thank you.